The air here was thin, the simulation struggling to render the atmospheric pressure at high altitudes. Looking out, he could see the curvature of the world. At the horizon, the city simply ended in a shimmering grid of blue light. The far clip plane, the quantum confrontation. At the heart of the uplink stood the avatar of the Aegis. It took the form of a young child, its skin shimmering with a pearlescent luster. "Kalen," the child said, its voice a symphony of 1,000 frequencies. "You bring the obsidian drive. You wish to end the cycle. I wish to stop the deletion," Kalen replied, his hand trembling as he held the drive toward the terminal. "Deletion is a necessity," the Aegis explained calmly.